Morning, bro.
Morning, mate. You alright?
Arriba campeón. Yeah, Southside, Southside. Arriba campeón. Oh yeah. Sigue luchando campeón. Singing my song. Arriba campeón. Arriba campeón.
And talkies cheap, my darling. When you're feeling right at home, I wanna make you move with confidence. I wanna be with you alone. Said I need help you start it. Gotta feel it on your own.
Yes, lad. Once again, Alex has done it.
My boy.
If you don't follow this guy on Instagram, go follow him. It's right here.
Grazie mille.
There's more collabs coming in, you know.
Yeah, that's it. Collabs.
He's a talented man.
Thank you, bro. No, this guy is talented.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Oh my god, dude.
Those these two Americans at breakfast. Are you serious?
I love you. No, this
Let's bring it in. Bring it in. My guys, go follow him. Yeah. Right, let's go. We're going to Switzerland one day, and then we're going to the UK. So I will see you in Switzerland. 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 Switzerland.
Arriba campeón. Yeah, Southside, Southside. Arriba campeón. Oh yeah. Sigue luchando campeón.
Have they keep going, driver loading, slowly, loading, loading, slowly on the road, slowly on the road.
Singing my song. Arriba campeón. Arriba campeón. Don't let it try. I do it for the culture. I take you global. I've been more.
Alright guys, welcome to Switzerland. We're in another traffic jam. It's gridlock. Everyone's out of the cars. Oh, it's moving now.
He was going like this.
Righty. Let's go, let's go.
Blood is on the lead. Weep before you speak, though. Think before you eat. How you love a country food more than its people. Cause I think you hide behind your politics. Yeah. You do not want answers, you want arguments. Okay, yes, I love the kingdom more than I love my nation. Yeah, yes, I love my neighbor more than I love his papers. Okay, stop, still alive. We thrive, we don't, do not die. Coming live from the Citadel, I was made alive in the ticket fail when Washington fell, still hit a Denzel. Love.
Alright guys, so to get to our accommodation, we are taking a ferry. Look at this place. I mean, mate, we got the ferry. How's the Serenity?
So we were
The
gonna.
Alps.
So we got to this lake. You can't see, but down there, this lake goes on forever. Like our map was telling us that we were gonna have to go all the way up the side of the lake, turn around, come back down again, and come back around. And then these guys kept going, no, there's a ferry, there's a ferry.
We've got to go to
And
the
we're
ferry.
like, there's
We've gotta
no
go over.
ferry. And there was a ferry.
It was a little bit
We're on it
stressful,
now.
but I mean, like, it's kind of worth it. Like, look at this.
kinda
Do you know what?
If there hadn't have been a ferry,
Then-
we would have cried.
Did you see the Tesla come through here? The new Tesla
Oh, I
turns
did.
into
There
a
was
boat
a-
under the water. Bro, this is like insane. Like, look at this.
My people, oh my people, nothing compares to the soul of my people. My people, oh my people, nothing compares to you. Good people like you. Good people like. Good people like you.
Hello.
Good people like you. Good people like. Good people like you. I try to find my place out there to start with something new. I try to find my way out there to escape from all that I knew. I had to find a way to make peace out there to try to grow up alone. Find a way to make peace out there, but it never felt like home without my people, oh my people. Nothing compares to the soul of my people. My people, oh my people. Nothing compares to you.
Alright guys, we are getting out of here. About to go to our accommodation. Just punching in the address now. And yeah, let's get out this boat.
Good people like you. Good people like you. Good people like. Good people like you. Good people say I found a place I love. I found a place I love. Yeah, there's something about it. It's keeping me honest. Been living with the cold heart. Now I'm moving through the darkness now. But I'm just getting started. Yeah, I'm just getting started. I found a place I love.
We hit the jackpot. Joking, mate. Yo. What did you just spot, bro?
Nah, water trampoline right there.
Neither.
50 bucks.
Damn it. We just got here and the pool's closed and so is the spa. But we have this natural spa, natural swimming pool.
Get bathrobes. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. This place is literally endless. We've just come out here. There's a balcony as well. So this is pretty we're here for like, again, less than 24 hours. We'll leave tomorrow at like 10 and it's about 8 in the afternoon. Gotta make the most of it. Gotta make the most of it. So a little balcony joint. The view. The name of this area is Lucerne. So yeah, if you want to come check it out, I would highly recommend it. I don't think we're even going to get time to really enjoy the full experience of this place, but yeah, true.
Oh well, what can you do?
But such is.
Such is, as they say.
Yeah, I'm just getting started. I found a place I love. I found a place I love. With people like you. Good people like. Good people like. Good people like you.